Do you want to surprise your clients with web pages full of special effects? Today we are going to see a very famous JS library called Vanilla-JS. Today I would like to demonstrate how to utilize the Vanilla-JS library in order to create this particular kind of 3D effects. So, this is the library page on GitHub. We commence our journey from our website, taking the first step towards sharing our code with the world. At the moment, I find myself in LiveCanvas, more specifically in the editor. My intention is to utilize an already existing page from the multitude of templates provided by LiveCanvas, which is referred to as the builder. Subsequently, I will allocate this selected page to the current project I am working on. The page is automatically constructed utilizing the template, and our intention is to enhance it by incorporating a three-dimensional effect to the image, thereby adding depth and realism to the visual representation. So, let's conduct a search for the Vanilla Content Delivery Network, CDN, which serves as the main link to the library and provides essential functionality. As we enter this area, our objective is to copy the minimum Vanilla and minimum JS. To achieve this, we will duplicate the provided line of code and navigate to the designated location. Once there, we will proceed to open the editor and carry out the necessary actions. This is the image we want to animate. We paste what we just copied on the official library page, and here we do two little things to it. To begin, place the fur tag on the library's JS to ensure it runs before all the code on the page. Then at the end, trigger the library to activate its functionality. This step is vital for proper execution and seamless integration of the library into the web page, ensuring optimal performance and desired outcomes. And insert a specific attribute known as data tilt into the image, ensuring that it is properly included and accurately represented. Let us examine, we save it. We eliminate this, let us execute it and observe the outcome to see what happens. To acquire a preview of our completed development, we press the P key on the Apple keyboard. And here we have our incredible three-dimensional effect applied to that image. That is all we have for today. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and that you can utilize this new knowledge to bring more benefits to your business. If you have any doubts, questions, or suggestions, leave them in the comments of this video. Remember to like it, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you soon.